How many bones are in an adult human body? 206. Which organ pumps blood through the body? Heart. What carries oxygen in the blood? RBC. Longest bone in the human body? Femur. Which organ detoxifies chemicals? Liver. Where does digestion begin? Mouth. Which tissue connects muscles to bones? Tendon. Which part of the eye controls light entry? Iris. Smallest bone in the human body? Stapes. Part of the brain that controls balance? Cerebellum. Which system fights diseases? Immune. Largest organ of the human body? Skin. Which organ filters blood? Kidney. Which gas do humans inhale? O2. Main function of the brain? Control body. Blood cells that fight infection? WBC. How many chambers are in the human heart? Four. What connects bone to bone? Ligament. The bone that protects the brain? Skull. Which organ produces insulin? Pancreas. Structure that helps in breathing? Diaphragm. Color of oxygen-rich blood? Red. Largest artery in the body? Aorta. Teeth used for chewing? Molars. What gives skin its color? Melanin. Which organ helps with vision? Eye. Organ responsible for hearing? Ear. Where are alveoli found? Lungs. Main function of ribs? Protect organs. How many kidneys does a person have? Two. What is the basic unit of life? Cell. Plates that clot blood? Platelets. Organ that produces bile? Liver. What organ stores bile? Gallbladder. Which bones protect the lungs? Ribs. How many lungs does a human have? Two. What part of the eye allows vision? Retina. Largest vein in the body? Vena cava. Strongest muscle based on endurance? Heart. Which bone forms the lower jaw? Mandible. Which organ controls hormones? Pituitary gland. Where is the femur located? Leg. Which system controls movement? Muscular. Organ where food is churned? Stomach. Which organ helps you smell? Nose. Which part of the body contains taste buds? Tongue. Total number of muscles in the human body? +600. Hardest substance in the human body? Enamel. Part of the brain that controls breathing? Brainstem. The fluid that surrounds the brain and spinal cord? CSF.